Okay, this is question 4 of the 2022 grade 10 paper 1, and let's just do it. Okay, here we go. We're solving for x. We're going to solve for x. Well, the first thing you got to do is multiply it out. 10x squared minus 7x. We got to subtract 11, and there we have it in standard form. Now, what you have to do here is you have to put two numbers that multiply to equal 10x squared, so it's 5x and 2x, and then you're looking for numbers that will multiply together to equal 12, so it can only be 2 and 6, 3 and 4, like that. But the outside and the inside have to combine to equal this minus 7, so this is a bit challenging. It's minus 15x on the outside, because minus 3 times 4 gives me minus 12, minus 15x combining with plus 8x to give me that minus 7x, and that's it. Once you've got that, all you have to do is go 4 over 5 and make it negative. That will make this 0. 5 times negative 4 over 5 plus 4 is 0. And if you go 3 over 2 and change the sign, 2 times 3 over 2. There's the other solution. That number over that number and change the sign. Let's solve for x here, okay? Gee, you're solving an exponential equation. The only way we could do it is if this was a power of 2, and dividing both sides by 3 helps make that happen. You get a mark for that. 48 divided by 3 is 16. And 3 divided by 3, that's why it's gone. It's 1. 16 is 2 to the 4th power. Now that we have the bases the same, we can compare the exponents. The only way these could be equal is if x minus 1 equaled 4. So x minus 1 equals 4. We add 1 to both sides. We get our answer. X equals 5. Let's see, do we have enough time to take a look at another question? Maybe we do. Let's see this one here. Solve for x and illustrate on a number line. Well, you know what I did? This 1/2 3x minus 2, I got rid of the half by multiplying both sides by 2. 2 times a half is just 1. It's gone. But 2 times 8, 2 times 2, there it is. Then I subtracted 16x, and I added 2. I get minus 13x is less than or equal to 6. Now, you can do this differently, I guess, but now I divided by negative 13, but remembered when I divide by a negative, I got to change the direction of the inequality. So there, x is greater than or equal to negative 6 over 13. I just make a line, put negative 6 over 13, fill it in solid, and then make it greater than. And that's it. That's how you do it. Now, the last question here, or this next question, 4.3. We're going to solve for these two things simultaneously. Now, this for me is kind of already set up kind of nicely. You could solve it by elimination. But if I add y and subtract 9, I get y equals 3x minus 9. Just add y to the right, subtract 9, y equals 3x minus 9. Now, if y equals 3x minus 9, I can substitute that y with 3x minus 9. So I do that. That gives me 6x plus another x is 7x. Minus 18 equals minus 4. All I did was put 3x minus 9 in there, and then I'm going to work it out. I'm going to add 18 to both sides. I'm going to divide by 7. There it is. X equals 2. Then take that 2, put it in there. 3 times 2 is 6 minus 9. Y equals minus 3. So there's your answer. X is 2 and y is minus 3. That's the place where these two lines cross. It's the place that it's the point that solves the system of equations. And that's it.